In today's episode of World Model Vibes, we explore the inspiring, glamorous, and fast-rising journey of Aya Shruti, a 25-year-old Indian model and social media influencer whose charm has captured audiences from Delhi to the United Kingdom. With an impressive net worth of $9.6 million at such a young age, Aya Shruti represents ambition, modern elegance, and the global success of Indian fashion icons. Aya Shruti was born and raised in Delhi, India, one of the country's most culturally vibrant and fashion-forward cities. Growing up in a supportive environment, she developed a passion for modeling, creativity, and self-expression at an early age. From school events to local fashion activities, her natural confidence and camera presence were already shining through. As she entered her late teens, Aya realized that she not only loved fashion, but had the discipline and determination needed to turn her passion into a professional career. This mindset would eventually prepare her for a future on global platforms. Aya Shruti began her modeling journey in India, participating in small shoots, brand collaborations, and local campaigns. Her unique ability to blend Indian elegance with modern Western styling quickly caught the attention of fashion photographers and stylists. Her social media presence began to grow steadily. Aya had an instinct for creating visually stunning content, and her confidence in front of the camera helped her stand out in a highly competitive industry. Soon, international brands also started noticing her look, her discipline, and her strong engagement with followers. This exposure opened doors for her to expand her career outside India. In her early 20s, Aya made a major life decision. She moved to the United Kingdom to explore bigger modeling opportunities and to build a global brand. The transition was challenging, but her determination helped her succeed. Living in the UK provided her access to European fashion houses, premium campaigns, and high-standard photo shoots. It also refined her personal aesthetic, which now combines Western glamour with Indian richness and cultural depth. Her multicultural identity became her biggest strength. Aya represents a new wave of global Indian models who are breaking boundaries, reshaping beauty standards, and becoming faces of international brands. Aya Shruti is not just a model. She is a symbol of ambition, global identity, and modern glamour. Her story proves that dreams backed by focus and hard work can turn into reality, no matter where you come from. This was the journey of Aya Shruti on World Model Vibes. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories of rising stars, fashion icons, and global influencers.